very wet Brands Hatch.
Press
Ryan
day.
and Paul, press day, yeah, absolutely. And obviously we've got Paul driving with us this year. Paul was just about to get out in his car.
Yeah, absolutely.
Which he
They
hasn't
got called
driven
off,
yet,
unfortunately.
and then he got stopped. But he will get out. It is like Christmas and it will come.
Yeah, exactly,
to drive
at
his new
some
car.
point. But sun's out, you never know your luck, we might get some
Absolutely.
running.
Might fly out this afternoon.
Yeah.
I said there'd be a dry line by Sunday.
Really?
It's
Yeah,
Friday.
that's about right. Yeah. Anyway, good luck this year, chap.
Cheers.
Have a
thank you
good
very
one.
much.
Yeah.
Cheers.